Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sharing a pack with me video for Mexico and carry-on only. I am not uploading this video in real time, so I will have already gone and been back by the time it is uploaded. But it was my first trip since the pandemic, so it had been over a year and I had so much fun. It was amazing and I can't wait to travel again. So the first thing I always do is pull out my carry-on suitcase and I'll just lay it out on the floor, and then I will start by going in my closet and my drawers and whatnot and just picking out any articles of clothing that I know I want to bring with me and assembling a pile. So after I have the majority of clothes picked out that need to be packed, I will roll everything army style just so I can fit more, especially if it's more than a weekend trip. I usually will need to bring more stuff on just to carry on. So since I was going to Mexico, of course, I'm just bringing lots of comfy flowy dresses. And next up, I am going to start pulling together all of my toiletries. Like I said, since I am doing a carry-on, I have to make sure all of my liquids are under 4 ounces, I think it is. I think it's 3 ounces and under. So everything that I'm showing you here are going to be items that I throw into my toiletries bag. I am a huge fan of packing all of these sort of items in one giant clear case, and this is one that I have from a few years ago from the Target dollar spot. It's tight, but everything fit. And then I have another smaller clear case that I put a bunch of my jewelry and hair accessories in. And then we have an avocado case of cotton balls and Q-tips. And then I just picked up this pill container from CVS a couple weeks ago, and I thought it was so pretty, and it is perfect for traveling. And then I have this customized clear glitter sparkle bag, and I actually made this myself, and I also made a bunch of them for the girls going on this trip with me, and I do actually have them listed in my Etsy shop now if you want to get your own customized cosmetic case. They come with a wristlet strap, so I used mine in the airport to hold all of my important essentials. So I switched over my main wallet to just a card case to carry only what I needed. I have a coin purse of some cash, my passport, some more hand sanitizer, and then I'll put my phone in here when I go to the airport. So everything that I need on hand in the airport was in there for me, and that worked out well. And now I'm gonna pack a makeup case. Since I was going to very hot and steamy Mexico, I knew I was not gonna be wearing a lot of makeup down there. And now I am going in and playing Tetris with the carry-on suitcase and getting everything to properly fit in there. I just purchased these lime sandals from Amazon. They're from Katy Perry's shoe collection, and I am obsessed with them. They have like 20 different options of them too, with all sorts of different types of fruit. And every time I travel, I always like to bring my slippers with me as well, especially if I'm staying in like an Airbnb, which I was for this trip. And then I am also using a couple smaller packing cases. So one I have bras and underwear in, and then the other one I have bathing suits in. Now I will admit, I pack my suitcase pretty dang well when I leave for a trip, but on the way home, it will not look like this. So whatever doesn't fit into my suitcase or that is something that I would prefer to have easy access to, I will put into my personal item. So in my backpack, I am putting all my toiletries, I am putting my crossbody purse, I've got some baby wipes, I got a water bottle, I got my book. And I always remember to pack my earplanes. If you struggle with ear pain and fluctuating pressure like I do, I highly suggest these. I will have the earplanes as well as many other products as possible linked down below in the description box for you guys. But otherwise, my carry-on and personal item are all set to go. I am so excited to go on more vacations soon. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.